Welcome all to another session of Vedika Online. Today we will discuss a story from the Ramayana.
सीतारामचरित अति पावन मधुर सरस अरु अति मन भावन.
So Hanuman jumps to Lanka and finds Mother Sita there. He returns with a message that Mother Sita is in Lanka. And Ramchandra ji, he says, okay, now that we have found Sita, let's go and get Mother Sita back. He discusses with Sugriva and they all decide to march towards the southern end of India. When they reach there, they see that there's a mighty ocean to cross. Suddenly, in the skies, there appear 5 huge personalities. These personalities are like illuminating the sky. And the monkey army is like in chaos. Sugriva, sensing chaos in the monkey army, amongst the Vanaras, he comes running and sees these 5 personalities in the sky. And as the Vanara army is awaiting instructions from Sugriva to attack, the leader of the 5 personalities from the sky, he says, "O Sugriva, I am Vibhishan, the brother of Ravana. I have given up my wife, family and kingdom and have come to surrender and join hands with Lord Ram. Please give him this message." Sugriva is not convinced. Sugriva is very, very suspicious of Vibhishan. Sugriva nevertheless goes to Lord Ram and conveys this message. He says, Vibhishan has come from Lanka and he says that he wants to join hands with you. I am doubtful. I don't know. Lord Ramchandra, he asks several other ministers, "Oh, what is your opinion? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? Should we take Vibhishan or not?" All of them in one voice agree with Sugriva that a Rakshasa cannot be trusted. Finally, Lord Ram asks Hanuman, "Oh Hanuman, what is your opinion?" Hanuman says, the way he is speaking and the way he is conducting himself doesn't look like he is part of the enemy anymore. Looks like he is a genuine, honest person. We must accept him. Lord Ram says that I do not know whether he's come here as a part of his brother's plan or he's come genuinely to become our friend. But I know one thing. Anybody who comes to me and says, I need to take your shelter, I can't refuse him. When Sugriva hears this, he mildly protests. He says, "No, Lord Ramchandra, let's not do this. It may be a great blunder to take him in. What if he is a part of the plan of the enemy camp to understand or to destroy us?" Lord Ramchandra then becomes grave and he says, Listen, O Sugriv, I have nothing to fear from this Rakshasa, even if he has bad intentions. But listen this, even if the most fallen, the most hostile person comes to me and says just once, that you please accept me, I am yours. Please give me protection. I will accept him, give him shelter and protection. This is Lord Ramchandra. We have all turned away from their lordships. We have turned away from Lord Ram. We have turned away from Lord Krishna. We have turned away from God. All the miseries or sufferings that we have right now is because we have turned away from God. All we need to do is turn back to Him. Just turn back to their lordships. And He is ready to accept us, to give us His blessings and grace. So, let us use this day and let us use this time and opportunity to turn towards God, turn towards Lord Ram and accept the blessings, accept the promise of shelter and protection that the Lord has promised in Ramayana. When the Lord is ready to accept Vibhishan, the Lord will definitely accept us. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the story. Please stay with us for another edition, another small installment of Wisdom Tales on Vedika Online for next week. Thank you very much.